Good morning, learners. How are you today? We are starting our lesson on national values. Last time we treated religious intolerance. So before we start, what is religious intolerance? Religious intolerance is whereby the other religious group will not accept the other one's practice. Can you mention the religious groups that attack other ones? Yes, Boko Haram, especially in the northern part of the country. Now, our topic today is roles of religious group in national development and how to control religious conflicts. Religious groups have some roles to play in the national development. Those roles include 1. Education. Religious groups were the first to provide formal education in schools. They continued to build and they run schools in which children receive their education. Examples of such schools are Christian schools and Muslim schools. 2. Hospitals. Religious groups build hospitals where sick people are treated, especially when there is conflict. The wounded ones will be taken to the. So, for building the hospital, they are making the nation to develop. 3. Living good life. Yes, living good life. Religious groups teach and encourage their members how to live good life according to the laws of God. 4. Religious groups formed youth association to help the youth to develop in the nation. The 5th role, they encourage nations' unity. Since there are many ethnic groups in Nigeria, each group must tolerate others. So these religious groups encourage unity. In Nigeria, we have so many ethnic groups. And if the other one will not tolerate the other one, there will be no peace. Therefore, they teach or encourage the nation to be one, to love one another. Then how to control religious conflicts. Religious conflicts should be controlled by the following ways. 1. Different religious groups should preach peace and brotherly love. Each of them should be preaching their members to live in peace and to love one another. 2. Religion may involve preaching in the open air, use of loudspeaker in places of worship. So, they will be involved in preaching in the open air, street by street, in the market, in schools. They also should be using loudspeaker in their places of worship, even though it disturbs other religious groups. In doing this, people will learn from them. Then number 3, the government should organize public enlightenment programs to educate people on how to tolerate other religious practices. So the government should organize a public enlightenment to educate others. 4. Peace demonstration. Some religious groups can go on peace demonstration. Look at the picture, you watch the pictures, you see hereby some Christian religions are demonstrating. You look at what they wrote in the ban. Christian Association of Nigeria rejects federal government's poor handling of security. They are demonstrating, peace demonstration. Look at this one. Central Baptist Church at King's Square, Benin City, says enough of bloodshed in Nigeria. Demonstration. Then the fifth one is religious bodies should gather to reach a peaceful conclusion. Look at this picture. Different religious bodies. You can see the Muslim, you can see Christians, see Reverend Father, pastors, and the ministers of the church, different churches. They gather together to discuss on how to have peace in the nation. Then number 6, religious bodies should be made to pay for things damaged by their members during religious riots, and those involved should be made to face the court action. All these are the things we should do in our nation to control religious what? Conflict. Any question? Okay. Can you mention some roles the religious group play in the development of the nation? Yes. They provide education. Good. They provide hospital. All right. They preach their members to live good life. Very nice. Then, 2 ways of controlling religious conflict. The religion should involve in preaching in the open air. That's very nice. The government should organize a public enlightenment. Yes, public enlightenment programs to educate people on how to allow other religious practice to be. Very nice. That is the end of our lesson today. Have a nice day. Bye.